Today we're going to the City Museum.
Yay! Have you ever visited a museum before?
No, this is my first visit.
Gather around, everyone. Stay with your partner and don't wander away.
Okay, teacher. Wow, everything here is amazing. My favorite is the dinosaur skeleton.
Wait, what's this on the floor?
It looks like someone's wallet.
Should we keep it?
No, we should find the owner.
There's a lot of money inside.
Someone must be very worried. Look, that man seems to be searching for something.
Huh?
I think he lost his wallet.
Excuse me, sir. Did you lose something?
Yes, I lost my brown wallet.
Is this your wallet?
Yes, thank you so much. I thought I would never see my wallet again.
We're happy we found you.
Please accept this reward.
Thank you, but we can't accept money.
Then let me buy you some ice cream.
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
I heard what you did today.
We only did the right thing.
Honesty is one of life's greatest qualities.
We agree.
Because of you, I didn't lose my important documents.
We're happy we could help.
Doing the right thing feels wonderful.
It really does.
What did everyone learn today?
Always return what doesn't belong to you.
Thank you again, my young heroes.
You're very welcome.
Remember, honesty always earns respect.
And kindness makes the world a better place.
Let's always choose to do the right thing.